today's video, I'll show you how to draw in Miro using its freehand tools. Whether you're brainstorming ideas, sketching visuals, or just adding a creative touch to your board, Miro's drawing features make it easy and fun. To start, open your Miro board and select the pen tool from the left toolbar. It looks like a pen icon. You can also press the letter P on your keyboard to activate it instantly. Once selected, you can freely draw anywhere on the board. Miro also gives you a few tool options. You can switch to the highlighter if you want softer semi-trombent lines for emphasis, or use Smart Drawing mode to automatically turn rough sketches into clean shapes and straight lines. This helps keep your drawings neat while still feeling natural. Now let's personalize your tools. Each drawing option comes with 3 customizable presets. Just double-click a preset to adjust the color and line thickness. This way you can quickly switch between different styles without interrupting your workflow. If you're using a stylus or touchscreen, Miro's drawing feels smooth and realistic, almost like drawing on paper. And if you're on desktop with a mouse, don't worry. A little practice goes a long way in achieving smooth lines. Once you're comfortable, start experimenting. Try mixing pen and highlighter strokes. Add annotations or sketch diagrams to bring your ideas to life. And that's it. You now know how to draw in Miro like a pro. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what you're creating next in Miro.